Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a Stripe account. So we're going to create an account on the web browser and all you have to do is head over to stripe.com. Then next is just click on sign in. So from here, just click on create account. So from here, all you have to do is enter in your email, your full name, and create a password. Also choose your country. Then once done, just click on create account. You also have an option to sign up with your Google account. All you have to do is just click on sign up with Google. Next is just select the Google account that you want to use to sign up. Grant access permissions by clicking on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!